Hi guys, this is Ayub. Today I'm gonna share with you how I do outreach, video outreach. So if you don't have a budget for Facebook or Google Ads or advertisement, whatever you do, a TikTok or something, so this is the way that I do an outreach to get client coming to my agency. So it's very easy and very quick. It just take like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna be using Loom as a tools for that. So how this is work, it's like you come into somebody website, you go to their LinkedIn profile, get their information, see if they are the founder or the president or the partner, whatever they are in this business, and then just like put their website on your screen and then use Loom, and then record a 5 minute message that you tell them like exactly what's they're doing, and then what's the problem they have, and then how they can fix it. Don't tell them how you can fix it for them, just let them know, hey, you have this issue in your website. I would like you to change this and change this and change this. Okay, so it's very easy and quick, 5 minute quick video that you can just like hit. You don't have to edit it, you don't have to add any like a professional lighting or to do a lot of like editing with whatever you do, editing you do, just like an easy quicker video, and then you just hit it and send it to them. And then the end of each video, the last minute, in the first 4 minutes you're gonna use it like to explain to them what they have and then what they need to do. And then the last minute you just pull your CTA to them, say, hey, what I would like you to do to explain more and then get more time for you. It's just like I'm gonna offer you, you have to be careful what you say. So you're gonna say, I'm gonna offer you a 30-minute video call strategy with you, and then I'm gonna explain to you all the things. And then when you come into my call, you don't have to work with me. The only things I want to show you is just like how to fix it. And this is the way it's really important, and not people doing it. So the way that you're gonna do is gonna be different than what other people do. Okay, so let's go to my computer. I'm gonna I already found an example that I'm gonna do directly in front of you, so you can see how I do it. I'm still learning about it, but yeah, I found it is very interesting way to reach out to people. So okay, so I have the website, and then I have the information for this business. I don't have all the details, but I'm gonna try just to quick like announcement message for them, and then just gonna leave a CA for them, and then I'm gonna end this video fast. Okay, so let's go and see what I have here. Hi Edward, good evening. This is Ayub. I just took a time to reach out to you to send you a quick message. I'm not gonna make it a long one. I'm gonna give it quick, easy for you to see, and then I'm gonna hit some information to you. Basically what I did today is just help to your website in your business, and then I saw you guys can do some improvement to your landing page in terms of advertisement and stuff like that. So I would like you to see all of this stuff, and then I'm gonna go through all of this right now. Okay, so the first thing I saw here is your headline in your website: unlock the potential of your data, that your world. So this is basically anybody who opts into your business. This is the thing they're gonna see. This is the first hook that anybody come to your business. This is the first thing they're gonna read. This is like the first impression that they're gonna think about who you are, how can you help them, and then what you think. This is your draw. This is, if you have a house, so your draw is gonna present who you are. So what I would like to say here, that you can catch more fly with honey than you can with vinegar. So the headline there's just so much left to be done here. Okay, so you need a powerful headline that attract the bull's eye and make the user curious about, like, saying like, what the hell is going on here in this website? Let me figure out what this guy is doing here. Okay, and then also, as I see here, you CTA is like get started. So the time I just like click in the get started, so the page take me to just sign in your newsletter, like join the waitlist. So why? I don't want to join your waitlist. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to be in waitlist. I want the benefit from you, and then I just want to get the benefit. I don't want to think that I'm gonna be working with you or just like pay you anything or do anything for you. And then this is really important in your page, that you need to show that you understand all the problems immediately, and you understand this growing here on 5 problems that are keeping this market at night, tossing and turning, unable to sleep, googling answers or going in YouTube at 3 a.m. to find just the answer and the problem that they have right now. Okay, so um in your page, also you need to tell me something that I don't know and something I couldn't find anywhere else. Okay, what is the big benefit that I'm gonna get by being in this page without thinking of working with you? You see, so why should I spend another 5 seconds in your page on your website rather than going across social media or any other platform that are vying for my attention? This is very very important, and this is the environment that you offer are competing in. So another thing they saw in your website here is like there's a lot that catching eyes for any user that come to your website, and you didn't tell them exactly what they need to do. Nobody understand when they come to your website, and that's why you're losing leads, and then that's why you're not converting any leads. If you convert like 50%, you're losing 25% of all these leads that's coming to your website. Why? Because of the organization that you organize the website, and the information, and then the language that you speak. You need to go to the market and then speak for the language they are speaking. You need to dig deeper to the market and then see what's their desire, what's their pain, and then speak for that. Tell them stories. Don't tell them who you are. Nobody wants to learn about you or your business or what you do or how great you are. Everybody needs to get benefit from you, and then you have to give them something for free in case they're gonna come to you and work with you. Okay, so what I would like to do here, there's a lot to say. I would like to offer you a 30-minute free strategy call. Then I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know about the changes, what you can improve, or we can change immediately. So I'm gonna leave a link including this message, and then just go ahead and then book a call with me, and I'm gonna tell you everything about that. I will see you there. It's finished. It's a guys. So what I did here, it just like I hope it's not perfect. It's not like something, I didn't prepare for that. I just like open the website, have no idea about their business, but basically what they have, it's all the other businesses they have. It's all the same. It's all the same. It's all materials. Everybody is just making a website and then putting a lot of information that they want to put, not like what's the market's need, not like what people are looking for. So what I did is just like go ahead and then I look at the headline. I make impression in the headline because it's so important for any landing page or any website. So the headline is the first thing that people they look at. Like if you want to go to YouTube and watch a video, so you have two things to think about to see: the thumbnail and then the headline. Nobody go to the description before they watch the video, and then nobody here go to the page or the website and then read the content before they look at the headline. So this is in the website there's two things, the headline and then the CTA, call to action. As you see in this website, this guy's not doing any call to action. The call to action they're doing is just get started, and then after you hit that button, you just going through like a form that telling you, hey, we need you to join our newsletter. So why people they just wanna join your newsletter without understanding what you have, and without giving them anything. I'm not gonna just go through all the website in the internet and just put my email everywhere that I saw like somebody asking me, hey, we need to see, or we need you in our newsletter. So you can just like send me a spam emails and stuff like that. So this is really important. The next thing I did here is just like after I talk about the headline, I just talk about like what's the language they're using in the website and then how they structure the website. Basically, this website is very so much. There's a lot of things that distraction the users from what they need exactly to know. The user, they need to know what they're gonna get from this website, this landing page. What's the benefit? These guys doing a lot of pictures, a lot of infographic and stuff like that, and then the text is going word by word, and then every time you're scrolling, something's gonna pop up. So this way, the time that I'm going scrolling and things that pop up to me, I'm gonna forget about what I saw before. So we need just to be like easy to understand and easy to read and easy to consume. And then in the last minute, what I did is just like I add a call to action, and then I was be careful about what I saw in this call to action. I said what I'm gonna do here, because there's a lot of things to talk about, there's a lot of things to say. I just say I need to give you more time, and then I want you to come to me for free. I offer you a 30-minute strategy call that I'm gonna explain to you everything that needs to be changed and then everything that you have to change right now. Without like, hey, come in, I'm gonna be work with you, and then you have to give me money so I can fix all these things for you. This is not how it works. It works by offering a free strategy call. They you didn't tell them, hey, this call is gonna be sales call. No, you're gonna tell them it's just free, and then when they come into the call, you're gonna ask them a lot of questions, and then from this question you're gonna understand and then option if they are really need to be changed or not, if they're like interested in change their business and then go into our next level of what they're doing right now. So it was easy and quickly. So this is just an example of like I reach out by using Loom. So hopefully you enjoy it, and then I will see you in the next video.